What the heck? This isn't a track hoe. This isn't Saskatchewan. No, it's not. We're sea cleaning while we're moving to Humboldt. And then we got a quick job there. And then moving to Milford. And then I'm coming back to do more track hoe work before Pierre gets here. He can run the track hoe. Saskatchewan. They love their corrugated bins. I like them too. Quick stop in Spiritwood for a coffee and some Subway. Spring is here, I think, boys. Yeah, look at water running. All the stop's finished. Now we're leaving Humboldt, off to Milford. Doing my pre-trip. Signal lights works. Load secured. Lights, camera, action. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Splendid. Good afternoon. And look at the new air cart here. It's that pretty. That's it? 1.5 inch pin?
Yeah, how big a ball?
Yeah. What do you guys think about the new air cart here? Not the Trimax. Oh, it's Borgo, actual Borgo hose. Oh my. Look at the tires on that. I've never been this close to one of these Borgo things. Whew. Anywho, measuring up a pin for a hitch. Hey, there's a M155. This is an awesome dealer. Hey, there's a Stagger. Oh, yeah. So day in the neighborhood. Hi, Don dear. Picked up some good grease for the track hoe. There's the recommended for, I was reading up because it's like, well, we could just use the normal grease we always use in everything. And it's like, maybe you should look into what's actually better for it. Because I remember hearing like, you want tackier stuff. And then they're talking about moly and whatever. And so I was reading up on that. And it's like, yeah, you know what? Maybe, not maybe, but yeah, we'll spend the little extra dollars and get the proper grease for the hoe. So this one is, no one you see me. Calcium sulfonate grease with 5% moly. So this one also helps keep moisture out a bit, and then it's really tacky. So this is what John Deere used to service the hoe when we got it. Because I could see it's a come on, let's crush this thing. It's a gray black looking thing, and that's what was on all the zerks. I'm gonna say nipples, you can see that. So the more I looked into it, yeah, you want that moly. 5% is a high rate, and that's actually what Caterpillar recommends in all of their pins and bushings. So, but you don't want it in bearings so much, because it's actually too slippery for bearings, and your bearings will, what's the word, spin, turn, so like the balls won't actually turn, it's so slippery. But then it's also got the grease, no moisture aspect of it, and it's tacky, so it's really good for shock loading and whatnot and extreme stuff. Yeah, see, not recommended for high-speed bearings. Yeah, so I you do notice a difference of it. This stuff is way tackier and whatnot. So yeah, makes sense. And you know, like pins and whatnot, like I think we're averaging each grease event we use about a tube of grease, so it's worth it. It's like, oh my neck, slept on it wrong. I think the Rotella grease you're getting, it's like $8 a tube. This stuff's $14 a tube, and then since I ordered 2 cases of it, then you get a John Deere at the discount, so 10% off. So we're like $13, $12.50 a tube. So you're not quite double. Whatever. It'll be that much better for the pins and whatnot. So we're gonna do it. And now I might actually have a set of grease gun aside. It'll suck because it won't be a power grease gun, but a set of grease gun aside just for the Bobcat too, for the pins and bushings on it, because it should run this grease too. Grease is grease. Yes, I agree. And if you can maybe run better grease in certain applications, would that not be better? I think so. Yeah. Not saying I wouldn't grease something just because we had the wrong grease. I'd still grease it. Just try to have the better grease for the application. Yeah. Hello. Oh, no glow plugs today. Beautiful. Okay. I like it. And away we go. Warming it up a little bit so we're not wound right out. Oh, stuff's melting. I hate being behind the 8 ball. Should have just skipped ConExpo. But that was booked back in December. Or was it January? Yeah. The hoe was going to be here a month earlier. Whatever. We'll get her done. I don't think we're going to be cleaning any of his dugouts out, because those ones are full. But these new dugouts that we're digging, though, that we should be okay. Well, it's this next whole week is not really supposed to melt. So whatever, I'm curious to see how full this dugout is that we're almost done. So yeah, whatever I don't think we're gonna be cleaning any out probably. Just finished digging these new ones, and I think that'll be it and all. I feel bad because it sucks because it won't be as much work as we had planned on doing. My own fault. And said we'd clean his dugouts out, dig these new ones, and the new ones will get done because this week's not gonna really melt and we're gonna get more snow, so anything we dig will get filled. It's just the cleaning out, so might have to make a deal with him to clean them out this fall or something like that. Oh, I hate it. Whatever. Is what it is. Don't need to make too much money anyways. That would be not good. Yeah, she's full. She is full. Shocker! Well, we'll finish her up nonetheless. Yeah. We still got water pouring in. Well, here's the first dugout of my see how it goes career. Done. Yes, it is not perfect by no means. This I tried to slope it great, but being full water doesn't help. This is gonna, hopefully this doesn't wash out too badly. It's full though. Hey, look at that. Boom, bam. Got this nice and sloped so the cattle can walk in here. Should be no issue. Yeah, hopefully. You know, instead of driving the hole back and forth like since we're moving to, actually the hole's right there where we're gonna dig. Instead of driving the hole at like, it'll be like a mile and a half-ish. Back and forth all the dang time. Get a closer spot. Old gas well. So, parked the hoe there. And now I'm gonna walk the mile and a half to the truck. Bring that closer. Good times. And need exercise anyways. Sitting on my rump too much. Here we go, done for the day. Cleaned the tracks out. Had a bunch of junk. Holy. Tracks are done. Ready for tomorrow.